guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make meat jerky or prime jerky. Normally to make it it's pretty simple really, but it can be time consuming. The first thing that you will be needing is a preserving bin. You can actually unlock that at level, let me show you. If I'm not mistaken, it should be somewhere here. Wait, you can unlock it at level 18, right here. Next to the fishing rod, it's right here. Okay. Once you have that, you will need oil, and you will need cooked meat and cooked prime meats. Okay. Let me show you where I get the oil. Welcome, guys. So, just to give you a little story, my Argivante died on my way here to show you guys where I get the oil. Let me let me actually show you. See, my Argivante died by a pack of wolves. It's because I went down on top of a rock so that it can gain energy, and a pack of wolves just jumped on me and I died too. In my Argivante died because he didn't defend itself because he was on passive mode. But here I am with my Rexy. But finally I got here. But anyways, here I am. This is where you can actually get the oil, right? I'm on this small island here. There's the oil, there's another oil. There should be more, and I came here before, that's why, because I needed oil for something. But you can just, with the pickaxe, you can just go for it. If you have a kilo, you can try and hit it to see if you get more oil like that. It's up to you. But yeah. Now let's say, for example, you already have the oil. What you're gonna do is now go back to your base where you have your preserving bin. Awesome. Now I'm here back in my base. And on the preserving bin, what you will do is, let me show you. This is the oil, so you transfer it. Okay. And then one oil, and then it says we also need says that we also need spark powder, which is very important. Remember to make spark powder, you make it on the Moro and Peso with rock and flint. Let me show you. You make it through here. You make the spark powder. And once you have that, normally what you need is cooked meats and fried meats. So let's get that right now. Okay. I am good news, guys. Where I live, there's a bunch of prime meat. That is a really cool T-Rex. But we're gonna have to kill it. Okay. So that was easy. And then okay, let's kill a Bronto so we can get prime right now. Okay, I think that this is more than enough. Yeah, I think this is good. Awesome, so we pretty much transfer the meat now, right? Make sure you are quickly on cooking the meat, prime meat. I recommend industrial cook. If you don't have it, that's totally okay. Build a lot of campfires so you can cook the prime meat as fast as you can and as much as you can. So we're gonna do this trick, just meat, so we can transfer everything. It's fine. We're just gonna turn it on and let the magic begin. Awesome, so as you guys can see, we have the prime meat cooked and the regular meat. Oh, so let's go ahead. This one is fine. So let's go ahead and transfer it as well. So we're gonna transfer the meat to the bin. Look, see, we have the ingredients. And as you guys can see, I don't know why it says 0, 1, 0 oil, 0 that, but normally once it is done, it's gonna look like this, the meat jerky, and it's gonna look like this one here. See that? So this one, spark powder, remember you can make it at the motor and pencil. And that is pretty much how you do it. Um, I wanted to show you guys how to make beef jerky because, yeah, guys, you guys are actually gonna need it for kibbles in case you guys like those things. Um, so I hope that with this tutorial, you guys are able to survive another day in Ark. Stay safe, my friends, and expect the unexpected. Have a good day.